So good morning students, and the next is topic in the pathogenic virus, that is a severe acute respiratory syndrome. Okay, so in the recent days, and now we are effectively, that is with the coronavirus we are following, right? Yes, that is only this SARS. Okay, so that is SARS, nothing else but it is a severe acute respiratory syndrome. Okay, so it is mostly caused by the coronavirus. Okay, so these disease, and which is mostly having the symptoms of fever, malaise, chills, headache, myalgia, dizziness, cough, sore throat, and the running nose, and the person is also affecting with some of the acute respiratory distress. And now what is the coronavirus symptoms are there, everything. So what are the symptom, treatment, and everything is the same as a SARS only. Okay, and whenever you are finding a chest x-ray findings, and you can see that the person will be having a pneumothorax or the pulmonary disorders, and also they are showing some of the intestinal infiltration, means within the cell itself they will be having a disturbance of cell filtrations. Okay, and the problem statement they are explaining that, and so already you know that, and this virus, and it has been so working over area of China. Okay, and later in 2002, so with rapid spread to the Hong Kong and Singapore, so Vietnam, Taiwan, and the Toronto, so it has been detected. And whereas earlier, and 2003, about 8,422 cases were reported to the World Health Organization from 30 countries. Okay, and the fatalities, means the death rate, they can see that is so 916 cases they have been estimated. So that is a previous SARS disorder condition, and incubation of the SARS is a, so it is 2 to 7 days. Okay, so commonly 3 to 5 days they have taken. And the mode of transmission, you can see, appears direct or indirect contact with the patient, either respiratory droplet or the vomitus whenever you are contact with that, and this transmission is going to be there. And so it is also have a use of aerosol generating procedures. So aerosol generating procedures means, and whenever you are contact with the any procedures like endotracheotomy, intubation, or the bronchoscopy, visualization of the bronchus, and the nebulization treatment. So in these cases, and this SARS transmission is, SARS coronavirus is common. Okay, and where the nature of this coronavirus is mostly so spread out from the bats. Okay, and it is a disease of civet. Okay, so civet means the category of cats only, it is also. And this SARS virus, and it can survive hours on the surface of outside of the human body, and up to 4 days in the human waste it is going to be situated. Okay, and the virus can survive at least 24 hours on the plastic surface at room temperature, and live for extended period in the cold. Okay, so in the cold areas, and it will be live, and whereas at the room temperature at 24 hours, and it can be survive this kind of virus. And case definition, so what they are saying that, or nothing else but the International Health Organization, they have been so defined that some of the clinical features whatever discussed, the laboratory confirmation only is going to be considered as a SARS coronavirus infection as a case definition. Okay, so case definition means what, whenever you are detecting, so you are how you are going to identify this SARS coronavirus means by the laboratory confirmation only, and you are going to find out the clinical definition. Okay, and what are the clinical case definitions like, so you will have history of fever will be there, and also the low respiratory tract illness will have, and the lung infiltrations means the lung respiratory distress will be there, means the person can't able to breathe himself. Okay, so whenever they are breathing, the breathing difficulty will be there for the individual. So no alternative diagnosis will be fulfilled other than this type of clinical case. Okay, and diagnostics test they are going to perform, that is the first one is a polymerase chain reaction they are going to do, and in the they are going to detect out the virus. Okay, the viral RNA they are going to detect out, and virus culture they are going to do for the clinical specimenation of the process, and they are also going to collect the nasopharyngeal secretions, and also stool specimens, and in order to detect out the virus. And ELISA test they are going to do. So in these procedures, and they are going to make The SARS coronavirus diagnostic test is going to be extremely low, means positive case they are going to detect out with this kind of the specimen of ELISA test. Okay, and whenever you are doing epidemiology, so the healthcare workers are morely generating with this kind of aspect, and maximum virus excretion we can see in the respiratory tract, and efficiency of the transmission we can see in the clinical second week of illness, and this kind of transmission of infection is going to be transmitted, and whatever the transmission of infection within 10 days, and they are going to exhibit some of the fever symptoms, and the children are really affected by SARS, and mostly the case of transmission for children and adults, but so mostly the child to child transmission from the child is not reported, but the people with the younger, the pregnant women and the infancy people, and also the older women, okay, so above 65 age, so it is going to be differentiated. Okay, and exit screening, so screening means what are the international area, and whenever you are screening you are doing, so you can able to control these kind of the corona detection cases. And complications, okay, so what are the complications you can go here, means the viral pneumonia or the pulmonary decompensation, means all the secretions is going to be stimulated, and acute respiratory distress syndrome, okay, means respiratory process, and in these cases the mechanical ventilation is very very important, and other complication like tension pneumothorax, and for example pulmonary edema, and which will lead to the cardiac diseases. And treatment we can give that, and intensive support we can give, so intensive care unit support we can give, and the ribavirin drug, that is 400 to 600 mg per day, and 4 grams per day, that is so liponavir and ritonavir, and interferon type 1, and intravenous immunoglobulins, and systemic corticosteroids. Okay, so these drugs they are going to give, so to use this SARS patient during 2003 epidemic they have used. Okay, and the treatment efficacy of therapeutic agents remains means according to the research they have identified that, and with this efficacy and according to the immunity levels of the individual we can able to control these kind of the treatment. Okay, so and the prognosis we can make out that mortality rate is 10% to 14%, and whereas a major older age group people, means 65 years of age over there, and they are going to affected with this kind of process, and also poor prognostic factors like for example advanced age, chronic hepatic B infection, okay, and treated with lamivudine, and initially the people who have the high neutrophilic count or diabetes mellitus, acute kidney disease, or the low count of CD4 cells, means the patient with the having HIV, so with these conditions and the poor prognosis we can see with these factors. The prevention means and no vaccine against this SARS virus, and only we can prompt identification of person with SARS with movement and the contacts, and effective isolation only has now how they are following the isolation, so has that they are going to make the isolation, and appropriate protection of medical staff training with whenever they are giving a treatment with the patient, and isolation of the susceptible person of affected with the SARS, and give isolated, and hygienic measures they have to follow, that is hand hygiene after touching the patient, and use of appropriate and well fitted mask, and introduce of infection control measures, and everything they have to be used, and exit the screening of international travelers we have to make a screening, and timely and accurate reporting and sharing of information with the government of okay whatever the how many cases are there, so everything they are going to detect out, and they are going to exhibit the process. Okay, so that is regarding of overall SARS disease, means similar the coronavirus, the COVID-19 and the SARS, so is a similar feature of having, means the same coronavirus is only affecting to the individual. Okay, thank you.